Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Thursday, and today is Thanksgiving, which is great. I'm actually going to I have a choice right now, whether I can go with some old friends of mine from college and go to Thanksgiving with them, or I can go to the Myers. If you remember them a few weeks ago, we helped repair their laptop. They've invited me over to their place to have Thanksgiving with. The difference is, last year, it's either last year or the year before that, I think it's last year, I've already visited these other friends, once, and it was nice and all, but, I like to mix things up sometimes. So, I don't know, I'll probably end up just going with the Myers and canceling my plans, but I don't know. But I'm actually trying to look really nice today. You can actually see here I'm, dressed in my Converse and everything, and nice pants and shirt and bow tie and everything, because bow ties are cool. But, I felt like I should probably dress up a little bit, because it's Thanksgiving, so, I don't know. I'll probably just end up taking the bow tie off and then loosening the buttons of my shirt in the end. But I don't know. We'll find out. I probably need to put on my jacket because it's actually kind of cold outside. But I like the cold. So anyways, I'm going to get started on some more vlogs for today. That way, by the time I go to their house, the Myers house, I can have at least a few vlogs, pumped out and at least try to upload them. Getting ready for Thanksgiving. Say hi, Woody. That's Wendell. It's my camera.
Cool.
I use it for vlogging now. I do that now on YouTube.
Vlogging?
Yes, I do that all the time.
You're not going to put me up on mine, are you?
Well, unless you give me permission.
I'm not going.
Okay.
No, with the NSA and everything.
NSA? I thought it was the CIA.
Look at Edward Snowden.
Yeah, I guess. Look at that spread. It looks so beautiful.
So I don't really, we may need to move this table
I was
down.
just going to say,
Sure.
How many people can be on their phone at one time?
Everybody put them up.
No, put them on first, guys. Put them on first.
Are you and I the only ones that don't have ours at the
Oh,
table?
no, I did.
Okay, now you put them away.
No, we need to do this. No, you need to take a picture of me taking a picture of you.
Okay.
Ready?
Wait.
That looks delicious.
There's mashed potatoes there and
Yes,
here,
it does.
girls. Okay.
But now you need something colorful.
Yeah, I do. Nothing goes better with color than black, though. After a delicious Thanksgiving dinner, I'm finally back home, and I'm just tired. I really want to take a nap right now, and in fact, I might even go to bed because it's like, well, it's only 7:15. I don't know. I'll probably try to take a small nap for like an hour or something, and then feel energized and probably work on more vlogs. Because that's kind of what I've been trying to do this last week. Is just pump out vlogs because, well, I mean, I have today off. Tomorrow I kind of have off. Not really. I got to go into work, but I'm going to have the morning off. Saturday, same scenario. And Sunday, that's almost like basically an extra day of vlog editing I can do, which I want to upload everything badly. It's slowly getting there. And I have about 100 other things I still have to do on my plate still too, so, yeah. A Z, I guess. But, I'm going to keep you guys posted if I do something else. Everyone, it's the end of the day, and it's midnight, and I'm tired, and I need to get some sleep because I got a pretty fulfilling day for tomorrow. But I got all my Black Friday shopping done already, even though it was before Friday, so we'll see what happens. But tell you what, let's meet back same time, same place tomorrow, shall we? It is in the package, but let's take it out and one-handed this. Alright, come on. And there it is. And they didn't send me the little stand-up thing, so now it's gonna have to be like this.